Okay, we have little Sweet Copper, and these guys are 5 weeks old, and not quite old enough for their first shot. 5.5 weeks, I think, will be about Wednesday. So, there's baby Copper. Here's little Salty, has a new name of Clancy. Yeah, there's baby Clancy. Hi, cutesy. Says my mommy likes to pay attention to me. And then here's Vern, named after Vernal. Okay, there's Copper. I think they took their other toys outside. There's their little doggy toy. And Clancy and Vernal. Hey, sweethearts. Everybody just had baths, about an hour or so ago, and took new pictures. Just thought we'd do a little video. Yeah, this is gonna be a busy week for them. They're gonna be getting around more. Of course, they're already getting around, but after their first shot, the end of this week, when they turn 6 weeks, we're going to be starting to wean them. Cookbook says, "Oh, I'm gonna miss my baby. I'm gonna miss my baby." So my little pride and joy right there. I've been busy, mommy, taking care of my little boys for the last 5 weeks. Yes. Oh, goodness. Goodness sakes. Here, put little Clancy out here so we can see little baby Clancy too. Oh. Grace just got through weighing everybody. You remember off the top of your head what he weighed?
No.
Okay. We'll have to look at our sheet and we'll post it. You see he's got little white back feet. He's a cute little guy. Yes. Hey, Vernal. Bernie. Hey, Vern. Hi, birdie boy. Hi, baby birdie. You pretty boy. You got your little black mask from your mama. Yes, you did. Mama's got one, and you've got one. And then little Copper here, he looks like he got his nice color. Of course, Daddy's a nice red color poodle, too. Like I said before, these guys didn't get their color out of a bottle. They came by it natural. Okay, there's our little sweet Pekapoo babies from Cookie and Tidbit. I just wanted to show you this little Copper boy and how relaxed he is. This is pretty typical of our little sweet Pekapoos. Baby, now we're going to see how Vern does. Baby Vern. Cookie says, "I think you need to do that to me. I want my tummy rubbed too." Little baby Vern, he says, "I'm just a little sweetheart." Yes, I am. And then we're going to see little sweet Clancy over here too. Clancy says, "Oh, I got mommy, rubbing my tummy. Mommy rubbing my tummy. Yeah, my mommy loving me. Yes, I know that. Rubbing my tummy, playing with my tootsie.